Hi, my name is Dr. Lakshay Kumar and I'm the principal dentist at Sunny Nook Dentist. Today we're going to talk about cavities. A lot of our patients come to us and say that we don't feel anything. How do we have cavities? So I just want to address that issue. So I'd like to first discuss what layers a tooth has. So the outer layer a tooth has is called the enamel. It's the white layer which is the hardest substance in your body. It takes years for bacteria to breach this layer. The next layer is a slightly porous layer and a softer layer which is called the dentine. This is the yellow layer that you can see here. Once bacteria reaches this layer, it usually travels really fast. Both these layers are trying to protect the inside of the tooth, which is called the dental pulp. This is where the blood vessels and the nerves sit, and that's what makes the tooth alive. So how a cavity stages? The first stage is that when the cavity goes in the first layer, which is the enamel. It does breach the first layer, but you can see there's no infection or no changes in the inside layer, which is the dentine. The second stage is when the infection just enters the next layer, the dentine. Usually from here onwards, the cavity can travel really fast. Now, in these two stages, you usually do not have any symptoms. You don't have any pain or sensitivity. And these two stages are very easily reversible. We can just drill out the infection of the cavity and we can seal them with some kind of filling. So the third stage is when the infection or the cavity goes deep into the dentine. It's gone really close to the nerves, but it's not actually breached that layer. Now, when the cavity goes really close to the nerve senses the changes in the environment, and you might have some sensitivity or sometimes pain. The sensitivity is usually to cold and sometimes to hot as well. Now, this is a borderline case. Usually in these type of situations, we would try doing a filling, but there's around a 20% chance that the nerve may not like the filling that we do around it because it's in so close proximity to it. Moreover, sometimes when we drill these cavities, the heat that generates could cause some damage to the nerve, and that damage could be reversible or irreversible. Usually the fourth stage is when the infection goes into the nerves. Once it does go into the nerves, the bacteria usually line up these small chambers or canal systems inside the roots, and they usually produce toxins or more bacteria and push it into your body. And you start developing an area of an abscess. Abscess is a pus-filled area. Usually once this stage happens, there is no way we can just do a filling. We have to do a procedure called a root canal treatment to save it. Otherwise, the tooth may even need to come out. So that is the reason why you wouldn't feel pain in the first two stages, but it's best to treat them in these first two stages so we can prevent these more complex problems. Thank you.